Here I have LG G7 Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. So by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings, like it needs following permissions, okay. You can include yourself in a video, in an image or in front camera. You can also select audio source, you can record microphone or system sounds, and you can change video resolution. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. Start, and after this countdown, recording begins. Oh, wait. Okay, now it's on, I guess. No. Okay, let's try to make it once again. Start. So now it's on. We are recording our screen. So when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap to stop recording here. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery. So let's just go to the ordinary Google Photos. Allow. And here you can find it in a special screen recording section. So now it's on. We are recording our screen. And from here you can like share, edit. So now it's on. We are recording our screen. Stop. Share, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. Screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.